Chicago's most accurate forecast from the WATE 6 on your side storm team.
Welcome back. We got some time-lapse video. This is out of Cott County from Colleen LaCroix. This is from the Holiday Inn Express off Cosby Highway. I think that's 32 right there next to 40 there. And near Cosby in there in Cott County. You see the storm just rolling through the area. That was a severe thunderstorm, had the potential to produce some damaging winds as well. And some very heavy rainfall. Just one of the many videos and pictures. Thank you all so much for sending those in. We appreciate it. Just make sure you're staying safe when you do that. A little quieter right now. This is from atop McLeod Mountain. We're looking back towards the south and west. Still a little bit of cloud cover across the area, but it's relatively quiet, which is a good thing. Temperatures staying warm. Still 84 in Jellicoe. Habersham is at 80. La Follette's 82. And we have 81 in Jacksboro, but certainly much quieter. Our storms from earlier today, they have shifted over into the Carolinas. South Carolina to North Carolina, still active severe thunderstorm warnings there. Not much in our area, as I mentioned. Could be an isolated shower or two between now and about sunset, but that is about it. The weakening shower through Harlan County is falling apart, moving into Lee County, and there's some rain southern sections of Ray into Meigs County near Dayton. That could clip the Athens area over the next hour, and then that should be it for the rest of the night. But it's still quite sticky, if not tropical, on the sweatcast. No real surprise. After the rain and storms, then a little bit of sun peeking out. Kind of feels like Florida without the beach. We'll stay that way for another couple of hours. It gets better there overnight. Clouds will thin out a little bit. Some low to mid 60s for our Plateau and southeast Kentucky counties, and mid to upper 60s elsewhere. That's pretty close to average for this time of year. Tomorrow, below average. 88's the average high. We're only at about 84. 83 in Maryville. Look at the 70s. Crossville, Oneida, 79 degrees. 80 in Jonesville, Virginia, and 78 in Greenville. And look at the sweatcast, or heat index rather, for tomorrow. Not bad. We're only in the low to mid 80s range compared to where we could be, right, for this time of year. So a little better, a little bit of relief for tomorrow across the board. But we will see that start to climb as we go into Wednesday. Feels more like 91 and feels like upper 90s as we head into the weekend when you factor in that humidity. Notice how Thursday is much lower. It's because we expect an increased opportunity for rain. Let's go to Wednesday. I do think as this boundary lifts northward, we'll see a spotty shower or storm afternoon into the evening hours, but more likely this is going to be overnight. That was 4 p.m. This is 11 p.m. You see those showers starting to blossom. These could end up being some slow-moving storms and could produce some locally heavy rainfall, so something we'll certainly keep a close eye on again, especially later Wednesday into Thursday across the region. For tomorrow, though, we're keeping it dry. La Follette's 82, a comfortable 78 in Jamestown, 79 Oneida, and 79 in Crossville. A little bit more cloud cover helping to keep things a touch cooler tomorrow in Windsor, kind of west-northwest for tomorrow. Southeast Kentucky looking better than today for sure. 80 in Jonesville, Virginia, but Barberville 81, Stearns 79, Williamsburg 80, and Middlesboro at about 82 degrees. Let's take it down here into the valley. After seeing temperatures in the mid to upper 80s today, we're at about 84 tomorrow for Knoxville and Sevierville, but 83 in Maryville and 82 up in Morristown. Heading into the Smokies, we're going to see temperatures into the 70s in the higher elevations. In fact, it wouldn't surprise me if the highest peaks only in the 60s for tomorrow. So if you need some heat relief, maybe that's where you could do some hiking or driving up to those higher tops. More cloud covers why it's going to be a little cooler there tomorrow compared to what we saw for today. And again, it'll be dry. 7-day forecast keeping tomorrow dry. Spotty storm chances returning Wednesday. And then Wednesday night into Thursday, rain's looking more likely. Some of this could be locally heavy, maybe some flooding in spots. We'll keep an eye on that. And then for the weekend, Friday into Sunday, these are just very random, typical hit or miss type storms that pop up. Most areas will stay dry, but those mid to upper 80s will probably feel more like mid to upper 90s when you factor in the humidity, Bo. So I know a lot of people may be without power for a couple of days, but at least it's a little quieter tonight into tomorrow and a little less humid.
It'll help a little bit with the cleanup, that is for sure. But yeah, let's hope they get a little bit of break, get the power back on.
Yes.
Ken, thank you, sir.